It's really a great honor and a privilege for Equity Bank to be participating in this program. The 75 million euros that we have signed today brings the total borrowing from European Investment Bank to 125 million euros, almost equivalent of 13 billion shillings, to support SMEs within the region. Kenya would have about 6 billion shillings. We have 4 billion shillings for Tanzania, 2 billion shillings for Uganda, and 2 billion shillings for DRC Congo. And essentially, these 13 billion shillings help us, particularly in promotion of SMEs operating within the region. And as a result, we are furthering the integration of the region. We are cognizant that this region has enhanced cross-border trade, and we think this facility will significantly catalyze the development of that cross-border trade and regional trade within the Eastern Africa and the Central African region. This facility has come at a time when the whole region is growing at an average growth rate, GDP growth rate of 6 to 7%. So this will be the time that SMEs would be expanding, growing to new horizons, and diversifying. And so it comes at a time that SMEs will be looking for long-term funds. We also believe that with the massive infrastructure happening in the region, there is a huge opportunity to create vertical linkages, either value chains or what one would call supply chains with the local enterprises. And so this facility will go a long way in facilitating that.
I'm very proud today to be here at such an important event where the European Investment Bank is contributing to fund the fabric of the economy in the wider region, where Kenya has a huge responsibility because it projects its growth, its capacity to help also neighboring partners, neighboring countries into developing and reaching a more reliable stability. The banking institutions that today are taking advantage of this support from the European Investment Bank will be a factor in consolidating peace and stability in this country for the greater advantage of the relationship within the European Union and Eastern Africa, but the whole of sub-Saharan Africa.
It is all about also about longer durations to allow enterprises to lend money for longer, so that they can really build up a business. And it is also the technical assistance attached to that, technical assistance to improve the skills and business development, and to get a better credit risk assessment, which is quite important for the prosperity of the financial sector in Kenya as well. We have to thank you as well, because without your support, we never could reach out to the small and medium-sized enterprises. We never could reach out to the microfinance institutions. We need you to implement our mandate, because otherwise the bosses of the ambassador, Stefano Dejak, will complain and say the bank is not doing their business. We couldn't do our business without you.